Hello class, today I am gonna teach you the last part of the keys. Okay, so first is Alt key. A keyboard has two Alt keys. Okay, Alt keys are also known as alternative key. So the full form of Alt key is alternative key, just like CTRL full form of short form of Control key, like this way. They are used for activating a program menu options. Then ESC key. ESC means escape key. Okay. It is used to cancel or ignore the command that we have entered. Escape means we left from this situation. That's like except ESC key or escape key do the same thing. Okay. Then shift key. The shift key allows the user to type a single capital letter. Okay, if you simultaneously press the shift key and the any alphabet A, B, C, whatever, any alphabet at the same time simultaneously, then the alphabet will be you can see on the screen the caps uppercase. Okay, so for example, pressing and holding the shift key while pressing the letter A key would generate capital A. As I told you, the shift key is commonly located on both sides of the keyboard, left and right hand, below the caps lock key and the enter key. Okay, and then is caps lock key. Caps lock key means when the caps lock key is pressed once, all the letters that we'll type will come in the uppercase. That means capital letter. Okay. The effect can be reversed when we press the key again. That means if caps lock key is on, that means that all letters will be typed in computer is in uppercase. But the caps lock key is off, then all the letters will be typed as lowercase. Then home key. The home key is commonly found on a computer keyboard. The key moves the cursor to the top of the corner of the screen of the beginning of the file, but it can have other functions depending on the program. Then end key. End key means something will be finished. The end key moves the cursor bottom right corner of the screen or to the end of the file, as I told you, after finishing the file. But it can have other functions depending on a program. Then delete key. You all know what is called delete. Often abbreviated as del, that means DEL, short form of delete. The delete key is used to remove characters and other objects. The delete key generally removes the character immediately to the right of the cursor or the highlighted text or object. If you highlighted any text or object, then press delete key. The highlighted, only the selected highlighted object or the word will be deleted. Okay. Then backspace key for erase anything. The backspace key moves the cursor or insertion point backward one character space. The backspace key removes the character immediately to the left of the cursor. If you have written anything wrong, if you press the backspace key, the letter or the alphabet will be deleted permanently. Okay, understood? Thank you.